Hi guys, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I'm back with a BoJerky unboxing and taste test. This is for December 2015. And I did cancel this box, so I'm probably going to get next month's box and then that's it. Because I've realized they have a lot of spicy stuff. And I can't stand spicy. But this subscription, if you like it, they have different price factors. I have the 4 full-size jerky bag box for $37. So it's just all piled in. So the first item we have is Jerky Gourmets of San Diego black pepper beef jerky. It's a nice size. This is $8.99. And I do have milk standing by, so hopefully it's not too hot. I doubt it. And I also have scissors. Oh, and sorry, I just got off work and I just threw on some stuff. I'm not wearing that much makeup. Oh, you can smell the pepper. Okay, it's a strip, somewhat tender. You can really smell the soy sauce, so it does have a lot of normal flavor. Oh wow, even from here, just waving it around, just smells so good. Except for the pepper part. So let's try this. Good. You can taste the other flavors other than the pepper. You taste the pepper, but not always. Like, it doesn't really hit you. It hits and misses and hits. So it's an interesting flavor. It's very, very, very chewy. It's really good. I kind of wish it didn't have the pepper, but it's no preservatives, no nitrates or nitrites, no hormones, no antibiotics, and low sodium. So pretty good. Wish it wasn't black pepper. Next item we have is from Bayou Blend. This is Melange Original Blend Beef Jerky. Cajun doesn't have to mean hot. So I am glad, and let's hope this isn't hot. This is full size. This is $4.66. And this you can buy on Amazon. You can buy a sampler pack with their other flavors. If it wasn't like freeze dry. Why can't I get into this? Okay, there is one piece of meat right there. Smells good. Hard to get into though. I'm gonna say a lot of brown sugar. It's very, very shiny and smooth. Very sweet. I wasn't really expecting sweet because this has ingredients called hot sauce, extracts of red pepper, black pepper, spices. So I wasn't really expecting that much sweetness. But good, just unusual. You don't usually get jerky that's that sweet. It's very sweet. Next item we have is by Dave's Meat and Nuts. We received one of these in the last box. This one's a different flavor though. This one is smoked beef strips with minced garlic. Now, I'm not that big of a garlic fan, but I'll try it. It feels very, what is the word am I thinking of? Moist. Now, I know some people hate that word, but that's all I can think of it is moist. Okay, feels very rubbery, shiny. So far, I like this one the best. This is $7.99. You can really taste the garlic, but I don't know. I don't eat garlic alone, but I have grown to like garlic and other things. So this is doable without having to force myself to like it or anything. That's the one that's been, and as you can see, I haven't gone for my milk yet. This is probably going to make me go for my milk. This is Dryden True all natural artisan beef jerky. This is in the flavor chili lemon. This is full size, and this is $11.95. And it has a coupon code up here, but it expired way back in August. But Dryden True has their own subscription service. And you can get your first box for only shipping, so that's like $5.95. So if you go to drydentrue.com, you can sign up. And you can cancel after that first box. That's what I'm doing. So I should be getting my free sampler box up for the shipping. And then I can decide if I get rid of it or not. Okay, these are very, very sticky. Sticky, and that's a pepper. Okay, there. Okay, so sticky, feels kind of moist. This is really good if you like spicy things. It has a nice sweetness of the lemon throughout the whole beginning. It's nice and moist, chewy. It's really good. Then the heat hits you at the very end and is burning my tongue as we speak. So this is good for the people that like spicy things. This flavor. I'm getting their sampler pack of original, so hopefully it's not spicy at all. But it is pretty good. Just warning you, at least to me, it's really spicy. So this whole box's value is $33.59, which is pretty close to the $37 price to pay, because you're basically paying for the shipping, which is free, and you're paying for the curation. So my personal value, I'll eat the Dave's Meat and Nuts smoked beef strips with minced garlic. I think I'll eat the Bayou Blend, a Melange original. I'm on the fence with the black pepper Jerky's Gourmet of San Diego. It's spicy, but it wasn't spicy enough to drink milk with. But the Dryden True is going to my work because it's too spicy. But this wasn't bad, other than the fact that 2 of them were spicy and 2 of them weren't, but a little bit weird. But overall, it's based on basically what you like, and I'm just canceling because of it's way too much spicy stuff for something that I'm paying $37 for. So anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.